Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads. It's October 16th and I'm here with a finished jewelry update for you. I've been super busy over the past couple weeks, so I haven't done anything super complicated, but I did want to pop in and share with you guys what I've made and just give you a little update. So the first item here you can see is a necklace that I made with these Czech glass elephants. Do you all remember these elephants that came in a couple of dollar bead box subscription boxes? And we all seem to really like them. Now, I shouldn't say all, but a lot of us seem to really like the elephants. And I really liked them, but I was waiting for inspiration to strike. I thought they were great, but I wanted to make something that I felt like was really wearable for me. So I don't know what made me put them with the trilobite beads. These came from the Czech Beads exclusive box from September. And we had gotten some trilobites at that point too, and also the dollar bead box had sent some really pretty trilobite beads like that. So I don't know, something just kind of flowed with it in my mind, and then I put them with these little like leafy kind of vine looking jewelry connectors that I had gotten on the Beadbox Bargains website. And I really liked how they went together. The elephants, of course, have that kind of silver wash on them, so that's why I put them with silver tone findings. But I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. It was kind of just an unexpected thing, and I just started playing around with the beads, and I had to kind of move them around a lot on my bead board to get them how I wanted them. But I'm really happy with this piece. I think it's cute. So just in case you're wondering what I did with the elephant beads, this is it. I do have 6 finished jewelry sets to show you that have either multi-strand or single strand, and they're like gemstones mixed with glass beads, and then just a couple of new earring designs that I was playing with. First, let me just get this one out of the way. This is a necklace that has actually already sold even before I was able to share it with you guys, but this one is rose quartz, as you can see, and then it's combined with these gorgeous Czech glass beads here that have some beautiful striations of pink and white and red. They just went really nicely with the rose quartz, and I thought they kind of added some dimension, and I love just the way they coordinated. It's another asymmetrical piece, so you may recognize this connector from a past bargain beadbox subscription. I had also gone on their sister site, Beadbox Bargains, and had purchased a few more because I love them. And then just a closed ring connector on this side, and then on some silver plated brass chain. And then I also made the earrings to go with this set as well, but I actually need to package this up so that I can send it out today. I'm really excited for it to be sent to its new owner. And by the way, you can find most of these items on my website, orchidandopal.com, or you can check out my Etsy site, my Etsy shop, and all that information and links are always in the description section below underneath the video. All my social media and shop links and things like that. And if there's ever something you don't see, just send me a message any way you'd like to, or email, whatever you want to do, and just ask me. Feel free to reach out. So very excited to ship that one off today. And then the next 3 pieces include one of my favorite stones, which is Dalmatian Jasper. And I was playing with the concept of putting the Dalmatian Jasper with some other bright colors. I love color, and I love how the bright colors really pop next to the Dalmatian Jasper. I love to combine different combinations of gemstone beads and glass beads, particularly Czech glass. I get a lot of those in my monthly subscription boxes, and I definitely put them to use, and I'm not afraid to combine them and play around and see what I like. So I've combined the Dalmatian Jasper on this necklace, as you can see, with these gorgeous Czech glass cobalt blue rondelle beads. I had gotten those on a Bead Box Bargains shop, and I had shared that haul with you in a previous video. I'd gotten a bunch of bright colors, and then I just added some silver tone findings and chain. So really excited with the color combination, and I just am having a lot of fun with the Dalmatian Jasper and seeing all the combinations that it can go with. So the next one I'm really excited about too. Of course I love all these, but I combined the Dalmatian Jasper on this set with this very bright lime green and some gold toned findings. I love how it came out as well. I think the Dalmatian Jasper and the lime green really pop together. I'm really excited about that combination. I actually want to make some more things in this combination eventually. But again, just a symmetrical 3-strand necklace, and just combined some different sizes of Dalmatian Jasper together with some Czech glass round druck beads in a very bright chartreuse green. And that's another color combination for you. Hopefully this helps. I like to do these finished jewelry updates, not to just show you what I've been up to, but also to help give you some ideas and inspiration on how to put certain things together, and maybe there's some things you haven't thought about. This one here is a kind of asymmetrical single strand necklace, and you can see that I combined the Dalmatian Jasper this time with this bright red. So this is again more Czech glass rondelle beads that I'd gotten on beadboxbargains.com. Combined them with some more Dalmatian Jasper. Then I used 2 of these beads that I had gotten from the Dollar Bead Box. One of them was sent in a subscription box, and then of course you can go on their website and order more. I had ordered another one, so I used that to add a little bit of symmetry to this necklace, and I really like how it goes with the antique brass chain. I think it looks really good with that combination, particularly because of the brownish tones in the travertine finish on the side of these beads, and then you have some brownish tones in the Dalmatian Jasper as well. So that's why I picked the antique brass. So that is my third set with the Dalmatian Jasper that I played with the bright colors. And then I have 2 more sets to share with you, and they include some of these gorgeous dyed river stones. And I love again how they have that beautiful aqua blue color, and I love how they pair with the lime green or chartreuse. And I also kind of did something similar with this set where I used these large Czech glass tabular beads that we had gotten. We had gotten at least one, I believe, in a past Dollar Bead Box subscription. If not, I had purchased them on their website. But I know I purchased at least one more on their website. And I added those there for a little bit of interest, and just kind of draws the eye up. And this is a little bit asymmetrical, which is something I like to play around with. And let me pop the earrings up there as well. But I like how this color combination went with the antique brass also, because of the different brownish tones in these beads in particular. I thought it looked really cute. And then, as usual, I finish off the necklaces on the back with a little extender chain and a little accent bead, something I like to do. So there's that set. And then the last set I have to share with you for today is this other river stone set, and I kept that in the aqua color palette with some of these Czech glass beads. I believe they're drucks as well, that we had gotten in a past Dollar Bead Box subscription. And you can see that I used a asymmetrical design on this as well. I love using these antique brass rose connectors, and I get asked, where did I get these? I got these at least, I think, 6 months ago on eBay. So I don't even know if something like this specifically is available. I'm sure if you tried to search antique brass rose jewelry findings or jewelry connectors. You might be able to find something like this. So I hadn't looked. I still have some in my stash. Fortunately, I love them though. And I like how it looks. I used the round end of a toggle clasp on this side. So this wasn't even a jewelry connector that I had purchased. I just used the round end of a toggle clasp. But even though it is asymmetrical, it's very well balanced. So that's important as well. But it's a lot more interesting sometimes to go with an asymmetrical design. I know some of you are probably screaming that like everything very, very matchy and symmetrical, and I get that. But sometimes it's just kind of interesting to add an embellishment like that. So again, just combine that color with the antique brass. I really love working with antique brass. It's great because some people have a lot of trouble with like silver plated brass tarnishing or turning colors. But with antique brass, you really don't have to worry about it. And by the way, if you have trouble with that, with the silver tones, you might want to look into using stainless steel chain. It is a little bit darker. It's not as bright and white and shiny as silver plated brass typically is, but you wouldn't have to worry about that. So if that's something that you have trouble with, and I've been asked that multiple times before, so I just wanted to make mention of that, so just in case it helps somebody to maybe start looking into using more antique brass or antique copper or stainless steel chain. So that's what I've been up to this week as far as the necklaces and necklace sets. And then this is just a real quick, I haven't even put on the ear wires yet, but I've been playing with these teardrop earrings. And again, I just used some teardrop jewelry connectors or findings. That's what they look like right here. And I do believe that I had purchased these on eBay as well. So I don't recall specifically the seller. I mean, there's so many sellers on eBay. I know they were from China, so it took them like 4 weeks to get to me, but they were very inexpensive and great to practice and work with. So yeah, just search for jewelry connectors or findings, and then you really do have to hunt on eBay sometimes to find what you're looking for, but I had come across these and I snapped them up because I knew that I'd be using them. And then this is just another great way to use those fire polish beads from the dollar bead box or bag. If you're a subscriber of that, I know a lot of people are. And sometimes I get asked, what do you do with all those fire polish beads? Well, this is another great way to use them. They're excellent to use in bead weaving because they're consistent in their shape and size, and they're beautiful. They're also great to use in stringing projects like the necklaces that I just showed you, or earrings. You could definitely use your fire polish beads in applications like that. But here's another simple way to use fire polish beads, and just do some wire wrapping with them like this. If you'd like me to do a tutorial or video on these earrings in the future, please let me know, and I will definitely take that into consideration. I have so many videos that I would like to make. At this point, I've been so busy, I haven't even had a chance to create like I want to create. Specifically because this week with the beading and jewelry, I have a lot of other things in my life going on, but with that, it was bead subscription week is what I call it. Everything kind of starts to come in at once around this week of the month, so it does take a lot of time to film and edit those videos and to get those uploaded. So I love doing it, it's so much fun, but it does take time, and I wish I could clone myself sometimes so that I could get everything done. So anyway, I got off on a tangent on that one, but I really like how these came out, and they're kind of a quick and easy project, and it's just a great way to use those fire polish beads, which I love so much. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what I've been up to. I know I've been uploading all of the bead subscription unboxings that have come in, so I had been doing a little bit here and there as I've had time. I've been doing more stringing lately, so again, I have lots more tutorials and ideas and more jewelry that I'd like to create. and I am cranking out videos just as fast as I can and having so much fun sharing all of this with you all and hearing from you and hearing what you have to say about the different subscriptions and what you'd make with the items, and being excited with you guys as I open them up and we get surprised to see what they sent, what the themes are, what colors we'll find, what unique beads we'll get, what we'll do with some of the beads that we just don't have a clue about when we open them. So it's always fun to share. I love hearing from you all as well. You guys always give me great information and ideas in the comments. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was from today, or just stop by and say hello or leave me a question. Anything you like, I do respond to you. And I do want to thank all of my new subscribers and my existing subscribers, everybody who's been with me from the beginning of my little YouTube journey this spring. It's really taken off in a way I never ever expected. I am a very private person and I never expected to be creating videos like this on YouTube. I have a lot of anxiety and I'm an introvert, so this is like getting me out of my comfort zone, and I thank you guys for that. You are appreciated. And I love every single one of you that takes the time to watch my videos, to leave me a comment, and all those things. So thank you so much for everything, for being here, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles. Visit my Etsy shop and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!